Hi! In this video, I will show you how to change color of an image in Photopea. We will open our image here. To change color, click on New Adjustment Layer. We can adjust here the vibrance, hue saturation, color balance, black and white, photo filter, channel mixer, and color lockup. Let's try the hue saturation tab. Under the hue saturation tab, we can adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness of the photo by adding the exact figures or adjusting the tab here. While adjusting the tabs, we can see that the color of the photo is changing depending on the adjustment. We can also adjust the color balance, the cyan to red, magenta to green, and yellow to blue adjustment of the photo. It depends on your preference. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!